Awesome Tech is a project designed to introduce 8 to 11-year-olds to computing, coding and technology. Martin Evans and Philip Thompson were awarded funding by Aberdeen City Council through the participatory budgeting system voted for by the kids in the 7 primary schools: Bramble Brae, Heatheryburn, Holy Family, Manor Park, Muirfield, Quarry Hill and West Park in the Northfield area. Working closely with Madeleine McSween and the Total Place project, Awesome Tech ran 7 weeks of electronics and computer-based workshops in the Manor Park Middlefield Community Centre. The workshops gave a taster of several technology-based areas: soldering, programming, gaming, 3D design and printing, interactive electronics, and basic office communications tools, culminating in presentations by the participating kids to their parents and their guardians, created on the Raspberry Pi computers used throughout the classes. Each attending child, thanks to the funding, was given a Raspberry Pi computer, interactive electronics kits, 3D printed objects that they'd designed, and digital bagpipes that they'd soldered at the end of the workshops. Feedback from the attendees and the parents has been phenomenal. Everyone has thoroughly enjoyed the experience, learned a lot and got to play with some cool and innovative technology. Martin and Phil would like to thank Madeleine McSween for all her support, Lynette the cleaner for letting us in and out of the community centre, and especially to all the cool kids that we got to work with and encourage and inspire when it comes to considering computing and technology as a future career.